All right, here is your quick look at the balcony, ocean view balcony, 6210 on Utopia of the Seas. It's on deck 6, kind of near the front on the port side. And it is your standard balcony. You have a full-length mirror as you walk in, and your little bureau, your couch. Pretty standard fare here. Closet with hanging shelves, hanging whatever space. There's your safe, there's your shelves, couple of drawers down there. Your bed and your TV. This is nice, has the refrigerator, your drawers. I always recommend bringing a European adapter because you can then plug it in there and get more outlets, but you do have outlets here. It's pretty good, a USB and a C-type port. You do also have a USB port on the nightstand. And let's take a look at the regular bathroom with the tube. It's nice, you don't bang your head on the counter. And it's your standard bathroom. And let's see, I got my little selection of amenities. Here is the balcony. It is a standard, typical balcony. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. So that is 6210 Utopia of the Seas Ocean View Balcony. Thanks for watching.